Modern premium smartphones are engineered for two primary goals: thin profiles and high-resolution photography. But when forced to sustain extreme computing workloads for hours, these design choices create a physical conflict with the hardware. High-end processors generate significant heat. In a standard chassis with no way to vent that energy, the system protects itself by dropping frame rates and cutting power, a process known as thermal throttling. The interface presents a second obstacle. A flat glass screen forces your hands into a position where your thumbs physically block the center of the action. These workloads drain even large batteries in a matter of hours. Because the device is already hot from the processor, the system cannot safely engage fast charging, leaving you tethered to a cable while the battery climbs at a crawl. The RedMagic 11S Pro is a purpose-built gaming engine designed to solve these specific hardware limitations through active engineering rather than software patches. To maintain peak performance, the 11S Pro departs from traditional mobile design, prioritizing internal airflow and physical inputs over mainstream aesthetic trends. The device is built around the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, using a leading version overclocked variant to provide the highest possible raw compute. With an overclocked chip, passive cooling traps heat, creating a thermal ceiling. The solution? A 24,000 RPM turbofan, creating active airflow to exhaust heat through side vents. Simultaneously, a liquid cooling ring circulates fluid around the processor, keeping temperatures stable during long sessions. Maintaining these lower temperatures allows the 7,500 mAh battery to pull 80 watts of power even while the phone is under load. You can charge at full speed without the system forcing a shutdown to prevent overheating. Active cooling provides a physical pathway for heat to escape, which is the only way to ensure high-end processor specs actually translate into sustained frame rates in the real world. Most mobile games require multiple simultaneous inputs. On a standard phone, your thumbs have to handle movement, aiming, and actions all on the same surface, obscuring your field of view. The 11S Pro adds two capacitive triggers to the top edge of the frame, providing dedicated hardware inputs for your index fingers. By mapping the most frequent actions to these triggers, you move the primary controls off the glass. This clears the display, allowing you to see the entire game world without your hands in the way. These triggers are backed by dedicated haptic motors, providing a tactile response that mimics the physical reset of a traditional controller button. The design also includes a zero-latency 3.5mm audio jack. For gamers on for hours, this allows for wired headsets that never need charging and offer perfect audio synchronization. Offloading audio and controls to dedicated hardware lowers a player's reaction time, providing a mechanical advantage that cannot be replicated on a standard touchscreen. Modern software is designed to grab your attention with notifications, while hardware is often designed with large, protruding camera bobs that make the phone unstable on a flat surface. A physical red switch on the side of the 11S Pro activates a dedicated game mode. This instantly silences all outside interruptions and focuses the system's resources entirely on the game. The display is a 144Hz AMOLED panel with a 95.3% screen-to-body ratio, providing a symmetrical view completely free of cutouts or notches. To achieve this, the front-facing camera is buried under the display pixels. While this prioritizes gaming immersion over selfie quality, it ensures there is no black hole in the corner of your map or HUD. On the back, the camera lenses are mounted flush with the glass. This eliminates the wobble found on other flagships, allowing the device to sit perfectly flat on a table during play. Immersive gaming is achieved by stripping away standard smartphone elements that create ergonomic imbalance or visual noise. Standard flagships are built as general-purpose tools, compromising on cooling and inputs to maintain a specific thin aesthetic. The 11S Pro uses that same physical volume for high RPM fans, dedicated shoulder triggers, and a 7,500 mAh battery. This configuration functions as a dedicated competitive tool, prioritizing the specific thermal and ergonomic requirements of high-level play over general-purpose utility. It proves that true mobile performance is not about the numbers on a spec sheet, but about engineering a physical form that allows that hardware to run at its limit without compromise.